To Belay. This way.
Okay.
Through here. Hurry up.
Wow.
Come to Belay. Sit.
Amazing digs. This is?
This is mission control for our region.
There are only 2 seats.
Yes. Luckily Sam couldn't come. He has a slight cold after getting the flu shot. A common side effect. Says right on the insert.
So the government paid for this. And you get to use it. And help launch rockets.
Well, not exactly help. I am the president of the Global Space Program. In our local area.
There. You did it again.
What?
You're president of the Global Space Program. They call it a program and you believe it.
I don't know what you mean.
I mean, it is like TV program.
Oh look, they are ready to launch.
What is this?
Rocket. It is supplies for the space station. Here we go. Magnificent, magnificent.
What was that?
It was one of our glorious rockets. En route to feed our hungry space adventurers.
It leveled out and nosedived. It looked like a plane that was disappearing from view.
Yes, over the horizon and into space. It wasn't moving away. We were spinning away.
So why bother launching a rocket that way?
Oh. So now you're a rocket scientist?
If the rocket was launched horizontally, it wouldn't have to fight the initial inertia. They just hold it level and the Earth's curve will peel away below them. Or go with the rotation. And slingshot her into the space vacuum free from the perils of gravity.
Oh, they are great ideas. I'll mention them to headquarters.
One big problem.
What?
We don't live on a globe.
Oh yes we do. And here come the pictures to prove it.
That looks like a fisheye lens image. Taken from any high-altitude aircraft. And the other camera lens was going inverted.
It must be sad to be like you. Always looking for reasons to dispute the marvels of modern science. We show you proof, but it's not enough.
You know. You're right. I need to look into this more before I judge you. Sign me up, Greg. I'm going globular.